The C-Flex Group was founded in 1996, which consists of two production bases called Huangshi and Dongguan. The company is technology-oriented, providing cutting-edge technical services in high-precision multi-tier FPC, rigid FPC, and HDI FPC productions for the global electronics industry. In 2012, the company has been above a 50-liter R-Flex, 20-liter FPC, and iLink FPC. Products cover many fields: the high-speed rail, the medical treatment, communication, space flight, industrial control. The company always provides the best service for the development of global electronic information with leading technology. The company always provides the driving force for the progress of the global electronic industry with high-class products. Professional engineering designers will provide you with consulting and data processing. We are technology-oriented, pragmatic, and innovative. We insist on the core values of providing the best products and services for our customers and making our contribution to the global electronics industry. C-Flex people have been working hard for the global electronics industry.